Peter Mandi, divorce lawyer in Hapage, New York, recently shared some thoughts regarding child custody challenges after divorce. The old adage that you can divorce your spouse but not your children certainly holds true after a divorce judgment. In California, custody and visitation is an ongoing and evolving issue, the evolution taking place as the children grow older. Rarely is the custody order in the divorce judgment the final order that stays in effect until the children are no longer subject to the court's jurisdiction to make orders. In California, that is age 18. That's because as children age and mature and circumstances begin to change, it is natural for a non-custodial parent to want more time with the kids. Even situations that involve custody often can result in future disputes. What can you do as a stay-at-home mom to bring stability and reliability to the parenting schedule that was ordered? This of course assumes that you are happy with the final results and you don't feel the need for immediate changes because of new events. Peter Mandi also shared co-parenting issues that can arise after a divorce. While some couples may be able to keep their cool, or even get along, during a divorce, when it comes to child custody decisions, no two parents should ever just assume that they are always going to continue to agree on everything when it comes to raising their children. Even if the divorce went smoothly, issues can still arise in the future. Granted, there are not many Illinois parents who are going to be in the exact same situation, but in general, disagreements over a child's educational opportunities could certainly arise after a divorce. This is why it is important to not only have a solid parenting plan at the time of a divorce, but also have a means to be able to communicate any issues as time goes on. Some parents choose the route of mediation. This gives parents the space to set up ground rules and talk about issues, such as who will have a say in what school a child attends and what activities the children can participate in. No matter what route a parent takes though, no screaming and yelling is not the answer. Rather, reach out to talk with a family law attorney in order to see how to go about parenting decisions. But there's more according to Peter Mandi, divorce lawyer in Hapage, New York, as set out below. Among parents, differing opinions about health care, finances, education and extracurricular activities, as well as conflicts surrounding religion, can make co-parenting after divorce very difficult. It is important for parents to find a way to compromise during and after a divorce. Co-parenting with different religious views can be successful if parents are willing to compromise for the well-being of the children. Some ways to make co-parenting more successful in order to lessen the negative impact to children all include compromise and respect. Parents should refrain from speaking negatively about the other parent and their religious views. When a parent remarries, it is important the religious views of their new spouse are also respected. Each parent should have an opportunity to share religious holidays they find most important with their children. Faith-based conversations can often lead to passionate debate. However, when co-parenting after a divorce, the debate should not involve the children. Decisions should be made with respect to both parents' religious views and, when possible, decisions made regarding faith could be placed in custody documents. This provides ground rules for Texas parents to follow and allows for the most consistency in parenting. These are all the considerations that can be made and provided for when negotiating a divorce settlement.